need to go. I've got a lot of work. Yeah, I'll probably be at karate. I'm loaded with a cold. Right, okay. Right, bye. Oh, hi. I'm Stella Malone, and this is where I work. Harry Mason, private detective. Some detective he is. Thinks he's Philip Marlowe in his dreams. I don't know why I work here. The pay's rotten. But then, Harry's kinda cute. He's in there now. I bet he's got his hat on. He always wears his hat when he's thinking.
It had been one hell of a day. I'd quit the smokes, but I couldn't kick the booze. My head was pounding from tomorrow's hangover. Stella wanted a raise, and the bank had foreclosed on a loan. We didn't have any work. I needed a case, and I needed it bad. Then she walked in. Didn't knock, just walked in. Hey, she didn't even walk. She just kind of swayed. Boy, was she one classy dame. It kind of makes a guy feel like $1 million before he realizes that's what it's going to cost.
I guess you must be Harry Mason.
Who's asking?
Veronica.
Just, Veronica.
For now.
See if your hair was a wee bit longer, you'd be a dead ring of
Lauren Bacall? Yeah, I know. You sure ain't no Humphrey Bogart, though.
Right. How can I help you?
Why don't you guess?
Guess?
You're a detective, aren't you? I've come to the right place, haven't I?
Well, sure, aye, you've come to the right place, but this isn't Los Angeles.
Oh, you are good. For a detective. How did you know I was from L.A.?
Like you said, I'm smart. Now, I'd say you were looking for someone. A man, a husband maybe?
You really are good. Yeah, that's right. I'm looking for my husband, Big Louie. He kinda needs rescued.
Rescued, eh? Sounds kinda dangerous.
It could be, but I pay well. Name your price, whatever you want. The only thing is, it has to be soon.
Look, this is a big town.
Yeah, well, I reckon you know him already. I found this in his hotel room last night.
Well, he certainly didn't get that from me. Have you, got a photograph? No. Don't know this guy. And who's Celine?
Some two-bit floozy he's taken up with. Anyway, this is where he was staying, and that's my number. If you find him, you call me.
Okay, I know. I should have pulled out there and then. But when she fixed me with those eyes, I kind of melted. You know, just melted. So, we were a team, except she was the boss. And she was calling all the shots. You know what I mean?
Who's the charmer?
When did you meet Louis? Stella, don't con me. I know you were listening at the door. You're the only one that could have given him this card. But why call yourself Celine?
I didn't call myself Celine. I met him in the bar at the City Hotel. He seemed a decent kind of guy. Said he was in trouble, said he was being followed. So I gave him your card. Then these two men walked in, real evil looking, dark suits. And before I knew it, Louis was gone. I don't even think the two men saw him. But this woman did. Then she scooted. And if looks could have killed it, I would be dead now.
What was she like?
Late 30s, dark hair. Quite good looking, I suppose. But stern. Really stern.
Fixing the drapes, huh? I didn't know you were that kind of guy.
Yeah, sure, Celine. Very funny. I heard something, that's all.
Yeah, sure you did, Louis.
Look, Celine, I gotta get out of this hole.
Yeah, and then you'll end up in a kind of hole you don't get out of.
Sometimes a hunch pays off. My buddy at the hotel remembered seeing Louis leave in a cab with a woman. And my buddy at the cab company gave me the address they went to. I've got a lot of buddies, okay? Veronica. I have to call Veronica.
Why?
She's entitled.
She's trouble. With a very big T.
I'm telling you, he's traced Louis. Yeah, well, he's given me the address. 15 Glebe Lane, Mossyburn. How the hell do I know where it is? There's a map in the car. No, I'll go with Harry. In fact, we might have to deal with him, too.
I should never have left Veronica.
Yeah, sure is a bummer. But you better get used to it. I'm all that's standing between you and a concrete overcoat right now.
That overcoat's becoming an attractive preference.
Oh, hi, Harry. Why'd you bring the long face?
The long face is Harry's assistant. He's real smart. He takes me everywhere.
Everywhere's a lot of places, Toots. You strong enough?
Well, I'm strong enough to do my job. You're just like Harry. You're living in a fantasy world.
What's there?
It's true, Harry. You both look as though you've stepped out of a black-white movie. Life isn't like that. Sometimes reality has to intrude.
It's up to you, Harry. Do we join her fantasy, or do we stay in ours and rescue Louis?
We go get Louis. When you fill me in on exactly what's going on.
I was respected once, when I had my business.
I know you were.
It was greed, I guess. Not just for the dough. I sure had an eye for a pretty face. And when I first saw you in Vegas.
Vegas was nice. For a time.
Vegas was the problem. If you hadn't got me hooked on the gaming tables, I wouldn't have...
Gambled the whole lot away and got into hot with the Baptiste boys. Celine's brothers, by the way. The whole thing is a scam. She lures the guys. The poor mutt goes into a phony casino and the guys pocket the loot. So the poor sap ends up owing the money he's lost to the guys he's lost it to. Poor Louis, he couldn't pay it back. So the Baptiste boys chase him clean across the States and over here.
And now it's all turned sour, and he's left you the clue in the hope you'll find him.
And if we've tracked him down...
So have the Baptistes.
This is not a good situation. I don't trust you anymore, Celine. I'm sorry, but I don't.
Well, I don't trust you either. I can't leave you for half a minute, but you're all over some dame. What was that card she gave you? Where is it?
I just started talking to her at the bar. She works for a private eye. Look, all I did was ask her for some help. I'm tired, Celine. Just tired. Why'd you bring me here? What's the point? We've come all around the world for what? I'm still trapped. We're still running.
I thought that was what you wanted, honey.
Right now what I want is Veronica. Riding in here with the cavalry.
Veronica, Veronica, it's always Veronica. When will you quit panning for her? What did she ever do? She never suffered like I did. Her folks weren't flung in a slammer when she was a kid. She didn't have to fend for herself on the streets. Yeah, Louis, what did she do? Play a Lauren Bacall look-alike in some cheap daytime soap for a couple of years, and she's been playing the same part ever since. Wise up, Louis. She only ever wanted you for your dough. She ain't coming for you. She don't even know where you are, Louis. She don't even know where you are.
I gave Veronica my money willingly, Celine. Willingly. Check the difference.
Oh my God! That's the two men I saw in the bar. How did they get on to us so quick? Oh, Harry, do something!
Look, I'm afraid they don't know this area. I do. I know a shortcut.
Oh no, Harry, not the shortcut routine.
You don't think that Veronica's following us over here, do you? No, it's not possible. She's not that dumb.
Hey, Harry, I reckon that's the place down there.
Sometimes the shortcut routine works.
Very subtle, Harry. Very clever. Just drive right in.
Hey, will you quit flapping your gums, Toots? Harry knows what he's doing, don't you, Harry?
Sure do.
And you're just going to walk right in, are you? Don't you suppose they'll have locked the door?
Louis, no time to explain. The Baptistes are right behind us.
Veronica, I just knew you'd come. I knew you'd find that card. What are you doing?
Sorry, Lou, you got this all wrong. Hi, guys. Yeah, I got ahead of you.
Huh?
Yeah. Louis here. And Celine.
The Baptistes? Oh, honey, why'd you do that?
Revenge, Veronica? Isn't that it? Can't think of any other reason you'd want to take up with my low-life family.
Well, she won't get away with it.
Sure I will. I'm real smart.
Not that smart.
Quick! The back way!
Bye, Veronica. Have a nice day. Toots.
Hey, who called the cops?
You figured it out.
Hey, thanks. You guys are some team. At least now we can stop running.
Stuff that dreams are made of. But, you know, Stella, maybe we do need a bit more reality.
As long as it includes our ease.
No, this could be the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
That's just another black and white movie. I think we need a bit of Technicolor.
Maybe you're right. Here's looking at you, kid.
Well, I guess that's that. Celine got Louis. The cops get the bad guys. Veronica got Veronica. And with any luck, I'll get a pay rise. And one last thing. Maybe a little bit of fantasy isn't so bad once in a while.